As we crack open the seal of Nehemiah 7, we discover not just a list of names but a profound testament to the significance of each individual in the grand narrative of rebuilding the wall. While facing so many challenges, the wall was finally finished. It was the work not just Nehemiah but the whole people. Nehemiah, the dedicated leader, understood the importance of securing the city not just physically but also by safeguarding the people's identities. After the wall is finished, he meticulously lists the inhabitants, showcasing a commitment to preserving the essence of the community. This seemingly mundane task becomes a testament to the value of every person in the collective story, as these people should be recognized and remembered. In our fast-paced world, where individual identities can sometimes blur in the crowd, Nehemiah's approach prompts reflection. How do we, as believers, contribute to preserving the unique identity of each person in our community? Nehemiah's list of names becomes an invitation to recognize and appreciate the significance of every individual, ensuring that no one is overlooked or forgotten. In the spirit of Nehemiah's meticulous list, Christians are encouraged to value and celebrate the diversity within their communities. Nehemiah and his people did not just build a wall, more importantly, they built unity and relationships, recognizing every individual brick by brick like the body of Christ connects and needs each other.